So in this program, students mostly focus on environment, business economics, and management. And among these major topics, they can explore something like food and sustainability, food policy, environmental economics, natural resources economics.
We want to give you a broader curriculum that includes business but allows you to go to different settings as well. But economics, by philosophy and design, is a public policy toolkit. It's a public policy discipline. So with that economics training, you're well prepared not only to go into business, but into the nonprofit or the government sector.
I really think students come in here to build a skill set and an analytical way of thinking about the world around them so they can come up with solutions that improve the environment, make the world more sustainable. One of the strengths that we have at the School of Environmental and Biological Sciences is a requirement that we have an experience-based education requirement for all graduating students. And I think that's a strength in our faculty. We bring the richness of what we do research and public service into the classroom.
And so the way the program is designed in such a way that we provide the theoretical framework for you to examine what it is that you want to examine. And then we say, all right, well, here are the methods by which you can test what it is that you're doing. Because if you look again at the areas where our students are, the employment opportunities that they get, you find our students in all facets. Whether the pharmaceutical sector, the agricultural sector, the banking sector, you name it, you can get it. And so that makes the major very attractive because it prepares students for key positions in all sectors.
So the Department of Agricultural, Food and Resource Economics really provides students with a way of thinking.
Understanding economics and the market structure helped me as I knew I wanted to go on to law school. This program opened my eyes to new concepts by showing me really the intricate ways in which the economy affects people's lives, especially producers in the industry. And now working in the legislature, it's critical to understanding how policy changes the economy and the way people function.
We are a small, intimate department. The economics department at Rutgers, New Brunswick has about 1,000 students enrolled. The undergraduate business program, about 5,000. We range between 300 and 350. So we really are a close-knit community. It's easier to develop friendships and networks with fellow students as well as faculty and to know who everybody is.